Hey folks, today we're going to put together a absolutely delicious shrimp soup. Something you've never seen before. And I think you'll find this to be a true winner. I've tried this a couple times and I really love it. So let's get this thing going. Well, the first step to this amazing shrimp soup is to make up a little roux. So I've got some vegetable oil in there and I'm putting in some just regular bleached flour that we're going to use to make our roux. Bring the heat up there, and we don't want to burn this, of course. This is going to be a nice little roux. So make sure you don't burn it. Now, this is a little bit of minced up shrimp and some water that I'm going to use because I'm going to put the shrimp at the very end. And I need that shrimp flavor in the soup. Just having that shrimp in there for a few minutes while it cooks is not going to do the trick. So here we're just adding some water, plain water, to the stock and pot. And we're going to stir that around with our roux. And now we have our base. We'll throw in 2 medium-sized white chopped onions, 2 slices of lemon, give it a little zest there. Of course, 3 minced garlic, 1 tin of tomato sauce, and then we're going to add in some saffron. This is going to make this very luxurious. This came from Iran. If you don't have saffron, you can leave that out, but I think it's a nice thing. And we'll dull it up here with about half a tablespoon of black pepper. Stir this around the block a little bit, bring it up to a boil. What we're going to do next is to take our cayenne pepper. You don't have to put this in there, but I think it brings out some taste. A little bit more black pepper. I didn't think that was quite enough. Now we're going to go ahead and put in about a 1/4 cup of white wine. Give it a little bit of a sweetness. All the alcohol, of course, will cook off, so you don't have to worry about that with the kiddies. Or if you don't like alcohol, just leave it completely out. Some people don't do it for religious reasons, or they just don't want to use wine. That's fine. Now, after we've got our little shrimp stock there, we'll put that into the rest of it. Give that another stir around the block. Let that boil there for a minute. Then we're going to add a little bit of parsley to this. It should bring out some color to it. Bay leaf for luck, I guess. And then we're going to put in a chopped carrot that has been chopped along with 2 ribs of celery and 2 medium-sized russet potatoes that I've chopped into small little sections there. And that goes right into our stock pot as such. We have all those ingredients in there. We'll take our lemons that have been cooking in there for about 20 minutes out. You don't want to have a lemon. Now there he is. Get that out of there. And then we have some half and half, about a 1/4 cup. This makes this really a nice rich soup. All the flavors are infusing together nicely. Now for the moment of truth, we're going to take some large chopped Gulf shrimp. I don't use any of that imported garbage. It's terrible. I don't like using that at all. We always read the label. And now we're just going to add a little bit of salt to taste. I'd say about a teaspoon. Stir that in. Cook our shrimp for about 5 minutes here. You're going to have a delicacy of a bowl of soup. And here is the completed. All right, folks, there you got it. This is an impressive shrimp soup. Oh my gosh. Cold weather setting in. Man, a lot of flavors going on in there. Really came out good. I recommend y'all give this one a try. I think you'll find it to your liking. Subscribe to my channel. I would certainly appreciate it. I got a lot of crazy things going on here. I wish you all a happy New Year's, and as always, bon appetit.